Today I'm gonna be talking. What? What is this?
It was from Redbird.
I'll just open these. First egg is this green egg. Green eggs and ham. Okay, let's open it. Oh my god. Oh, I got Redbird. Redbird comes in this egg. Oh, cardboard pieces.
So guys, we have cardboard pieces, candy, sticker, and
some
ice pieces.
No, glass.
Yeah.
Glass. And a Redbird. And a sticker. Okay. Okay, guys. This is awesome, okay? Let's put this away. Put it away.
It's really tough for me to record right now.
Okay, now we're on to this golden egg. Oh, cool. Ooh, look what we got. We got a white bird. And some more cardboard pieces. Oh.
Golden egg.
Okay, put this away.
Okay, guys, so that's all. Ian's gonna show you what he got.
Okay.
I am Captain! Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Ian.
Okay, guys. You can hear that SpongeBob. I still watch it. Okay, guys. In this green egg, I got these 4 glass pieces. You can build something with these.
Okay, well, what else did you get, Ian?
I got candy in the green egg, a Redbird, cardboard pieces,
And that's all for the
a sticker.
red egg. Yeah. And
And
then
that's it.
what'd you get in the golden one?
I got a white bird.
Wait. I'm trying to think of machine. Okay, Ian. Okay, Ian, what'd you get?
I got these 2 glass pieces. Oh, I also have a triangle glass piece, a white bird.
And cardboard pieces.
Yeah.
And your Terrence sticker?
Oh, it's on my iPad.
Oh. Okay, guys, so that's all for today. Hopefully you liked this video.
If you want me to build an obstacle, then I'm gonna have a special crystal pink pig. His name is Mr. Piggy.
So, guys, like if you want that. Subscribe, comment, comment. Anything.
But don't.
And subscribe to Laser Beam Gaming. He's my friend. Bye.
And don't you dare dislike.
Nah, just like if you want. Bye.
Bye.